another vlog here today. Got Jonathan, got Fred here in the mix, girlfriend somewhere back there, but she'll be joining us soon. We are back here at Six Flags Whitewater yet again with another vlog. We're gonna have some fun here today. We're gonna get on some of the other slides that I didn't get to go to, or on rather, last time. Super excited. Got Dragon's Tail, we got Tornado. We're doing a lot of fun stuff. We're starting with the big one. So hopefully you guys are ready. With that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. So as you can see, it's not that busy here. Everybody in the wave pool right there having some fun. Little Pharrell playing on the radio. Headed up there. Tornado and maybe a little dive bomber if open. Super, super excited. So we're going over the bridge. Unfortunately, the lazy river is still closed. Fred is gonna get the 4-person raft again, like he did at Hurricane Harbor. And he's gonna carry it up himself. So we're gonna have some fun here today. Let's get it. All right, here we are. We're in the queue, just got in, waiting to go around. There's a little backup here in the queue, but not too bad. You can see this is what we're about to get into. Water's running and pumping. They're getting off the raft right there. We got a little bit of ways to wait, and then we're gonna get our raft, go on up and drop on down. And I'm taking you guys along with me. Raft is here. Fred's gonna grab it again. Here we go. All right, here we go. Got a raft right in front of me, heading up the stairs. Never been on this. Never been on this whatsoever. I'm super excited. Not nervous, not scared, just thrilled. Energy is pumping. You guys ready? Let's get it. You guys can see, oh my goodness. Why have I never been on the side of this? Look at this drop. Ah! Oh my, hold on. Can we back up? Can we back out now? Whoa, hold on. I'm gonna back out? No, we're gonna go, keep on going. I gotta ask, as more people are dropping on down, I have to ask you guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you think I'm gonna be going down backwards?
A good 9.9.
9.9?
8.5. 8.5.
It's gonna happen. Leave in the comment section down below. Do you guys think I'm gonna drop down backwards or not? I hope not. We are now at the top. Oh my goodness, highway right over there. Just waiting, almost there. About like 2 more families, then we're on there. Hopefully you guys are ready. There we go. Get in the push. Bye. Bye. Here we go. Oh, we did it. Guys, the airtime on that was crazy.
I knew the airtime.
That was crazy.
I knew it.
I love that slide. Oh my goodness. So we're looking at Dragon's Tail next because it's running. It wasn't open on opening day or any other time I've visited. Not a long queue right now from what I see. Oh man, this gets airtime too, and I'm super excited. Oh, yeah. Guys, I'm bringing you guys along with me as well. Woo! It, boy. Look at it. Airtime. Airtime. It's an airtime machine. So you got a little bit of a backup right there. We're back up here. See the slide, then the drop. They're only running one right now, the right side. So that's why it's a little bit of a delay, but not too bad here today. After just about an hour, we just got up here to the top because they're only running one side right now. So waiting for our turn, hit the green light right there, get on it and go. We are up next. And we're off. Woohoo! And then the drop airtime. Oh my goodness. That's dangerous. Fred's up next. There he is looking. That thing is crazy. Oh, I was complete airtime. Oh my goodness. I was off the slide. I was off the slide. That is an airtime machine. Wow. So about after an hour wait or so, that thing was crazy for real. Like, yeah. So you have like 2 airtime moments, and then like the the ending when you splash into the water, which you skid across that water. That second drop, when you get pick up speed, you fly off that thing. It's like crazy, true air time. This water is always like colder than normal. Yeah. All right, so walking across. All three of these are open right now. Well, two of them are open, the two. But we're going, wow, they just dropped off. So we're going to Typhoon Twister and getting on that, giving that a go, see how we like it, see the airtime we get, see if it's the top slide of the day. Oh man, great views from up here, great views. Here we go. Got people going down, got a raft going on next. Fred's carrying it again. By choice, guys, remember that. By choice. By the way, we are almost at 3,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you have not already. If you are enjoying yourself as well, hit that thumbs up button. Shows me you care, because we're having some fun here today. You can see the sun is out. It's a beautiful day here today, but we're almost there, going on up. About to get on this. Oh, I love it. Beautiful day here today now. The question is again on this, since that's the drop right there, will I be going backwards?
Well, my percentage got changed now because me and Fred went backwards. Yeah. So, probably not. Probably
Fred?
Not. I thought maybe a good, maybe 5 or 6.
Okay, out of 10? All right, let me know in the comment section down below before we hit this. What do you guys think? Am I gonna go down backwards? We'll see. All right, so we're about to go after them, then us. Woo-wee! How do you have to spin me?
Maybe not.
Are you okay? Fred, are you okay? Oh, I'm about to go backwards. That was epic. All good slides here today. Wow, that was insane. Did that one last time, going on this body flume next, and we're gonna have a good time. Look at this. All this is gonna be torn down next season. Something great and bigger is gonna be coming. We're about to go up next. Just relaxing a little bit. And we go down. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, baby! Ah! Woohoo! Ooh! Yeah! Oh! 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 This one is longer. Oh my goodness! I'm still going. What is going on? Woohoo! And the drop! Ah! Oh, that's crazy. Fred. Oh, that was epic. Woo! Beautiful dude. How are we gonna rank it so far? Woo! That's tough. Okay. I think in the order of the slides we've been on. Yeah. To be honest. Yeah. Like short, sweet, simple. 3 of us agree. The order that we've been on the slides are the ones that we rank the best today. Crazy. You got Dragon's Tail right there though. I love this one. For real, this has been a great day. The sun has come out. Oh my goodness, we've had a blast here today. You know what time it is, guys? Wahoo Racers time. Woo-hoo-hoo. Who's gonna win? Oh no, Wahoo Racers is closed. It's okay, I've been on it a lot. So we're gonna venture around, see what else we can do that we have not yet. I wanted to get on Dive Bomber, but it's closed, but somebody's coming down in. Look at that. But yeah, let's go around, see what else we can do. Still such a fun day here today. Woo-hoo-hoo. What a spectacular summer day here today. Just wow. Like the sun is out in effect, the water's beautiful, people are getting along. I love it, I love it. All right, going up all these steps to Runaway River, and then possibly tornado again. I believe we might call it quits then, but such a successful day. Wow, I wish. Next time, Dive Bomber. Hopefully it'll be open again. Not too bad. Gotta go up here, spiral, or go around different sets of stairs, go up, and then we go down another raft. Let's do it. So we're almost there, almost at the top, right up there. But look at Dive Bomber, guys. That is crazy. How many of you guys have ridden Dive Bomber so far? Insane. People going down. Can't wait. All right, we're almost there. You can look at all these water bottles, hair berets, bracelets, everything right there. And look at this view over here. Look at that drop. Down Dive Bomber. but you can see people going down. It is almost our turn. Almost ready. We are up next. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! It is dark in here. Bro, I can't see anything. Whoa! What is going on? What is going on? Let's just say the one screaming like that was Fred. It wasn't me.
Hey,
it wasn't me.
I'll take it.
It was Fred, okay? We'll leave it there, Passholder family. It was Fred, all right? And a little bit of Jonathan.
Yep.
I was a stoic human being. I wasn't screaming whatsoever. But that was epic. You couldn't see anything. Amazing. Wow. What'd you guys think?
Good.
Awesome.
Pretty good.
It was good, man. A+ on that. A-. All right, get in our raft again for the last ride of the day for us. Tornado yet again. So epic. Last ride, are you?
That's right.
And probably the best one too, so make it count. That's right. All right, hopefully you guys are ready. Let's get on this last one the last time. They're going, then it's us. Woo, last ride of the day. Super excited about this one. Here we go. Woo! Oh, it's not me! Oh my goodness! Fred! You fell completely out. Again, this time the worst. You good?
Yeah.
Give me a thumbs up. He's good. That was epic. Great way to end the day. Oh man, seriously, understatement.
Really went down.
We really did go down. That was quick, man. But man, understatement, that was epic. Such a beautiful day today. Wow. Guys, what a beautiful day. If you can come out here during the weekdays here, please make it out. As you see, of course with me editing, but just me telling the truth, we have walked onto everything except Dragon's Tail, which was like an hour wait. I don't know why, but that was still epic. Wow, seriously, great day today. Get here weekdays if you can. Such a beautiful day today. That is a true understatement. And the only slide here that we did not get on today, the only slide that is open that we did not get on today. Yeah, not too bad. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today at Six Flags Whitewater. What a beautiful day today it turned out to be. Only was here for about 3.5 hours, got on every slide except one, Bahama Bobslides, that was open. Everything was a walk-on except one thing. So what a great day with great company, had an amazing time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Once again, we're almost at 3,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys do me a favor. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are new, if you have not, and give the video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. We're gonna be back here again, try some food, more slides, more things. Just gonna be back here and do a lot more adventures. So my next video, my next adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.